Take my ginger, garlic, ginger. You can use white onions, okay, guys? My chili powder, my thyme, another hot chili powder. I want it hot, okay? My paprika, then my nut cubes, okay? Because all these cubes, Maggi cube, whatever cube, they can put salt if you eat salt, okay? Then puree tomatoes or chopped tomatoes, whatever you fancy, okay, guys? This is a vegan food, you know. Okay. You will see the process. After this, I'm gonna be cooking my quinoa. Red onions, garlic, and ginger. Okay. Bit of oil. This time I'm gonna use my walnut oil. Okay. To do the cooking, just a little bit. My chopped tomatoes. Put my puree tomatoes. Okay. Tip in some boiling water. Tip in my quinoa. It's like, you know, if you want to eat more of this, it's an alternative to rice, okay? So you watch what I'm cooking, watch the video to the end and tell me what you think about this. It's like a vegan diet. It's nutritional, it's healthy, you know. Put my paprika. Put my hot chili powder. Then my Maggi cube. That's like my salt to taste, okay? So I'm gonna cover it to cook. It doesn't waste time to cook. It cook quickly. This way now cook so quickly. On a very low fire, okay? I'm gonna lower the fire. Then I see you later. So in here I'm gonna put my broad beans, green pepper. You can put any color of your choice, okay? I'm gonna put the red one. And my spring onions. Spring onions. Goes in there. Reduce the fire heat. Some lemon juice goes in there. Okay. Then my chickpeas will come back to it. Mix all together. That's how we roll. Job done. It's cooked. This is very healthy for you, you know. Very healthy. So I'm gonna use the fresh one. You can use dry parsley or cilantro. Use a fresh correct. So ready. Look at that. Very healthy. Look.